What if you could fly through security and skip baggage claim? That's exactly why we designed Tortuga backpacks. I want to talk to you about the four main benefits of the Tortuga Travel Backpack Lite. You're probably used to paying baggage fees, waiting around at baggage claim forever, or worst of all, lost luggage. Because the Lite is carry-on sized, you never have to check your bag or pay luggage fees. The Lite is allowed on all airlines as a carry-on, both domestic and international. You'll have plenty of room to pack for a week or longer, and there's even going to be a little bit of room left over for souvenirs. You're probably used to disorganized hiking backpacks or messy suitcases that are impossible to pack, and when you get to your destination, everything's a mess. The Lite gives you room to pack however you want. It's front-loading for easy packing. That means it opens like a book so you can stay organized. It has a big main compartment that's flexible so you can put your stuff how you want. The Lite has a padded fleece sleeve for your laptop. This keeps your gear safe, but it's also the most ergonomic way to carry it. We have two full-size water bottle pockets. At the front of the bag, we have a vertical pocket. It's great for a Kindle, but I personally like to keep a lightweight jacket in there. Suitcases are cumbersome, they're hard to carry, and they're impossible on staircases. The Lite is comfortable and easy to carry, especially because it's only 3.5 pounds. The hip belt takes 80% of the bag's weight off your shoulders and moves it on your hips and legs, which are much stronger. The wheels on suitcases frequently break, despite the fact that a broken wheel renders your suitcase completely useless. The Tortuga Travel Backpack Lite is durable without weighing you down. The Lite's durable 630D Cordura material won't rip or tear. These lockable YKK zippers will not break. Your stuff is safe. All the buckles and hardware are high quality, made by Wujin. We don't skimp or take any shortcuts when it comes to the small stuff. It's all backed by our worldwide warranty. We guarantee against any defects in materials or problems with craftsmanship for as long as you own your bag. We've put over a decade of experience into designing this bag. The Tortuga Travel Backpack Lite is just right for most travelers. Get free shipping when you order your Travel Backpack Lite now.